In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put PowerPoint 2010 on a continuous loop. This is a particularly handy skill for presentations that you want to run unattended, or perhaps at trade shows or exhibitions where you need slides to continually cycle through. Let's dive right in and talk about how you can achieve this. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. This may seem like an obvious start, but it's essential to ensure you're opening the correct version. In this case, PowerPoint 2010. If you're unsure about which version you have, you can usually find this information under the Help or About section within PowerPoint. Next, navigate to the presentation that you'd like to loop. This could be a project you're currently working on, or perhaps an existing presentation that you feel would benefit from being displayed on a continuous loop. Go ahead and open that file so we can get started with setting up the looping mode. Now, at the top of your screen, direct your attention to the ribbon where you'll find various tabs and options. You're going to want to click on the tab labeled Slideshow. This tab holds all the options we need to customize how your slides will be presented. Once you are in the Slideshow tab, look for the button that says Set Up Slideshow. Click on this and you'll see a window pop up with a variety of options. What we're aiming to do here is set our presentation to loop continuously. In this new window, you'll notice multiple checkboxes and radio buttons that allow you to configure different aspects of your presentation. Here, look for the option labeled Loop Continuously until ESC and check this box. Checking this means your presentation will automatically loop until you decide to end it manually by pressing the Escape key on your keyboard. Before you finish, it's always a great idea to test your setup to ensure everything's working as expected. You can preview your slideshow by clicking on From Beginning in the Slideshow tab. This way you can watch it play through and confirm that it does indeed loop continuously. And there you have it, you've set up your PowerPoint presentation to loop continuously on PowerPoint 2010. This simple setting can transform how your presentations are displayed, ensuring they're as engaging and automated as you need them to be. As with any software, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different presentations to see how they work on a loop. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.